Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now what we have here is another unboxing of coins. I recently won on a $1 reserve auction and I bought it for $14.50. It is a half kilo of world coins. And all in all, I paid $19.20 including the $4.70 shipping. I see interesting coins that were there on the auction. That's why I bid on it, and luckily won it in a low price. So we'll see what it is. Right. I only buy coins locally and to known collectors or coin dealers. So yeah, I've been buying coins from these people most of the time. So I know they're legit. Meaning they don't sell fake ones. Oh, it's properly wrapped. Right. See what are these? Right. Oh, it's broken already. Let's get it like this. Right. So here they are. What they are. I see a lot of I like I don't know why, but I like the UK 1 penny coins. See, it's King Edward VII, and this one, it seems like it's been used as target practice. See the bend on the side here, and it is from 1910. I like these old coins. King George VI. See the nice portrait there, and it's from 1937. Okay, this one, King George V from 1922. Anything else? Oh, it's King George. It's Queen Elizabeth II. Here we go, from 1960, and this is a 1 penny, but this is a New Zealand coin. And this one, oh yep, another old UK penny. See, this one is 1903. Yes, old one, very old. This is a half penny, I believe. Yes, half penny from 1921. And wow, this is a lovely one, eh? Oh, what's that? It's our pet's hair. This is a lovely one. See, it's 2 pence from 1992. Nice stone, very nice. It's another King George. And this one is Australian, 1981, 50 cent. Nice, very nice. Another half penny. Alright, it's good. Oh, okay. It's an old one. It's Queen Victoria half penny, and it's from 1900. See, very nice, very old. Yep, it's nicely toned dark. 1902 half penny. Okay, what's this? It's Australia 50 cent. It looks like a commemorative coin. 1788, 1988. It's like a centennial of something. New Holland. Okay. I have to do research on this one. It's Australian commemorative coin. Okay, this one is a half crown from New Zealand, 1950. And we can see King George VI. It's a very nice coin. Big one. See another 50 pence from Australia, 1996. It's another old penny, or someone rub it up. This one as well. I don't know. It's an old one. It's Queen Victoria, the bun head. It's an old one. Yeah, you can still see the date, 1860 something. I think it's 1860. Not that sure though. It's Chinese coin, 2017. It's a 1 yuan, I think. Okay, this one. This is a 20 pence, 1987. And it is, yep, UK, Elizabeth. Second Queen Elizabeth. 20 pence. Like this one. What's this one? It's a US $quarter US. It's from 1978. Oh, nice. Another New Zealand 1 penny, King George VI, 1943. Right. 50 new pence from UK from 1978. And what's this one? So this one is an Australian 1966 2 cent. It's nice. This one, 5 cent from New Zealand, 1974. Old one. This is another old, it's a US. It's 1986, 1 cent. Right. 5 new pence from UK, 1979. Another half crown, 1948, from New Zealand, King George VI. So one more old Queen Victoria 1900 1 penny from UK. Okay, this is a nice one too. New Zealand half penny 1965. Wow, nice. This is a 1 dime from US. Very nice. 2000, year 2000. You can see the D. It's the mint mark from Denver Mint. Have a dirty hand. I think it's from the plastics. All right, 1938. 1 penny, UK. I know there's some dates that are rare for the 1 penny. I just forgot about which one it is. It's a This one is a 1 florin from 1947, New Zealand. So in these coins, the silver coins are from 1946 below 1947 above, it's copper nickel. So this is not silver, but still is a nice one. This is 1983 Cook Island, Queen Elizabeth. Uh, oh, very nice, nice portrait. $1. Very big one, eh? Very big. It's bigger. It's bigger than the half crown, or the half crown. See, very big. It's a nice one. Cook Island, another UK one. So oh yeah, another UK. I think it's all the same now. 20 cent from PG, 1980. Okay, this is a £1. £1 coin from 1989. The same 20. So another quarter, or 5 cent. 5 cent coin. Yep, and it's from 1999, and it's also from the Denver Mint. They said when this one, you can see the the perfect or the uncirculated ones. You can see the all the steps there. You can see it. So if you can see that, that's like the perfect uncirculated coin. Right, this one is a 1 penny from year 2000. It's from the Denver Mint, and of course it's 1 cent US. Very nice. I think this one is uncirculated, and so it's this one. This is 2001. From the same the Denver Mint, 1 cent. I think they're both uncirculated. See anything different? Okay, this one is New Zealand. It's the Huia bird. I think it's 1964. You can see here Queen Elizabeth II. It's the same. Now this one is a wheat penny. Oh, 1 cent. Yep, it's a wheat 1 cent. It's an old one. I think it's 1956 from Denver Mint, and it's 1 cent United States. Right. Oh, this is an old one. Oh, right. Republic of Chile, 10 cash. Oh, Republic of China, not Chile, sorry. Wow, okay. First time I've seen this one. Republic of China, 10 cash. Wow. Okay. I don't know the year though. How do you know the year? Oh, it's an old one, I think. I have to do research on this one, and then I'll make another video of this. It is wow, first time I've seen this. So it is a win. I think for $14.50. Now this one, this one is in a capsule for a reason. It could be this one is like a rare one, or a scarce, or low mintage. Yeah, they always have a reason for this being in the capsules. Like the one that I had on one of my unboxing. The one on the capsule like this is a low mintage coin from 1963. I think that was a 1 fluorine, and it's only 200,000 that was minted in that year. So I'll do a research on this one as well, and make a video in the future. Right. So this one, it's a 50-cent coin. Yeah, this one I'm intrigued with it. I don't know what this one do. I think it's a commemorative one from 1994, and it's Australian 50 cent. She is a lovely portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, 1994. Wow. See, that's about it, I think. Yep. Oh, this one. Okay, what's this one? This one is a €1 cent from from the European Union. It's 1 cent. That's the last one. 5 cent from New Zealand, of course, 1994. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a winner. It is a winner. We see varieties of coins, and coins I haven't actually seen before. Once in the capsule. Yeah, this one, I think, it's a rare one. I think it's the first time I encountered this. And I'll do a research on that one, and I'll make another video of it, and also with this, the one in the capsule. Alright, thank you very much. I do hope you like these coins, and I also hope you subscribe to my channel and help me make it to 1,000 subscribers. And it is a long way, because I know we need a lot of hours to be monetized, but as long as we enjoy what we do, and enjoy the collections that we have, it's all good, I think. Alright, thank you very much, and I do hope you all have a good day. Stay safe, everyone. See you next time.